Hi guys, Chris here with the calculator challenge, and I have a special guest today, Pino. Say hi, Pino.
Hi.
Pino's going to help us build our calculator, which we got from Banggood. So watch the video and see how we get on.
Here we go.
What do you think?
I think this is the coolest homemade calculator I've ever seen.
Thanks, Pino. Well, how did you find making it?
Fun.
Did you find it fun? Any problems or any difficulties?
Peeling this off.
Peeling the stuff off, okay. Alright kid, what are you going to say? Don't forget to
Subscribe, and please subscribe to my channel as well.
bye for now.